So the next step is determining the weights, okay? So of tuition, repetition, course and distances. Let's do it. Copy and paste. Criteria and the weights. To get the sum of value is 1, okay? I mean equals total in Turkish, but you will put sum of functions, okay? I will put the Turkish one. This is sum function of these values to check whether the total is 1 or not, okay? So which one has the highest importance among these four ones? Tuition, repetition, course or distance? Which one? Which one is your primary selection criteria of PhD program? Distance?
It's realistic.
Realistic distance, okay? So, what's the degree assigned among percentages, among 100 tuition, repetition, and courses? What will you assign?
0.6 or 7.
0. It's very high. Let's put 4, for example, okay? So, how about the variety of availability of the courses, elective courses, or repetition or tuition? Which one is second primary concern?
Probably courses.
Come on, courses, put another 4, okay, or put another 3, okay, 0.3, is 0.3 between tuition and repetition. Tuition would be repetition. What would you assign to repetition?
Repetition is higher.
0.2 and 0.1. Just an example, okay? So the total is 1. We check the total is 1. What's the next step? So creating another matrix denoted by Rij. What's Rij matrix? What's the name of the Rij matrix? Standardized decision matrix, okay? So we need to have standardized decision matrix Rij from Aij to Rij, okay? So to do that we need to get Rij put here equals, we need to get these alternatives here and criteria here, right? So the next step is putting a formula of such that equals this value divided by square root of sum of squares of these values. What does it mean? So I mean equals this value divided by, in Turkish the name of the function is top kare, and in English sum square, okay? Please find from fx from whole functions where is sum square? Sum square is here, okay? In Turkish top kare and in English sum square. Find sum square here. So choose the values, okay, and put okay, and finally we need to put square root in Turkish, karekök in English, sqrt function, okay, should be chosen karekök of some squared or some squared values, okay, and square root function here, square root of some squared value. Press enter, but before pressing enter, let's do the absolute locations of the cells. From A5 to A8 doesn't change. Look at here. Put another one. So that if I change the location of the E to F, G, and H, okay, the formula should not be affected too much. Put F4, again, press F4, okay, $5, $8, okay, it's finished. So the grades of the universities are here, okay. So from font, the highest one is Font University, okay?
Yeah.
Then apply the formula in the application to the right side to get the others. So, to make it more readable, reduce the decimal points, okay? So, to make it more readable, center it. Please focus on these metrics. Tuition, repetition courses, distance for the alternatives, and for I shape matrix here, okay? We completed another stage now. Indeed, the function we read, we need for calculating these standardized values. Let's paste here, okay? So, each value divided by is some squared value square root, okay? Like these ones.